All right, we're back, you guys.
I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta post. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Today is a Sunday, and as you can see, right, we back in the garage. It's another Type R install day. Trust me, you guys, there's a reason for all these install days, okay? It's coming up on the channel. My car will be tuned soon, and then I'm taking it to the track. So mark my word on that. But before we get this video started, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. Again, this is Skylyfe Projects. Let me show y'all what's going on. So my car, all its glory. It's going up on a lift today. Brent's car is also getting worked on. Gino's is finished, done, tuned, ready to go. It's got the nice Titan 7s on there, power coated white, PSI. So, here's what's going on, alright? Number one, carbon fiber spoiler. You guys can see it in there, what's going on. I'm not going to take it out, I don't want it to get scratched. Here it is, guys, as I said, the RV6 front pipe. We take this out. Boom. Ceramic coated. RV6 beautiful front pipe. Alright. Then we have the PRL Inlet pipe, blasted. Option 3. Alright. You guys seen these before on the channel. Parts, same thing. I just did mine blasted. Next thing we have here is the carbon fiber steering wheel. I told you, this is a big install day. So let me hold that right there. It's got the red stripe on it. It's red Napa leather, full 3 carbon fiber, 3/8 carbon fiber. Okay, this one's actually gonna fit. We're doing that right now. I'm gonna bring it camera over here. There's a lot going on. Brent, want to say what's up to the channel, man?
Howdy, howdy.
He's busy. He's already doing the steering wheel right now.
In sandals.
In sandals. So, let me just get a view real quick, man. There we go. Alright, you guys, he's working on the steering wheel as we speak. He's getting the stock one off. And all he's going to do is remove the stock trim with the carbon fiber pieces on it. Transfer it over to the new wheel, right, Brent?
Yep.
So let's let him
break
do
as
that.
much stuff as possible.
What's up?
And break everything.
And break everything.
Yep.
No, that's not gonna happen. All right, so there's Gino's beautiful Boost Blue with the white wheels. Nice side markers, okay. Very clean, literally compared to my car, it's very clean. So I'll check back to you guys in a little bit, and I'll keep you updated. This is going to be, I think I'm going to do this video in 2 parts. So we're going to do 2 mods in one video and then 2 mods in the next. And stay tuned, that tune is coming up. I can't wait for this car to finally be tuned. So still got to get the downpipe from RV6, but yeah, guys, don't go anywhere. Stay right here. I'll be back. All right, guys, welcome back. Brent. It's got the steering wheel, the new carbon fiber. This is by CZD Auto. What is it? Auto Parts? CZD Auto Parts. I'll throw that link up in the description in case I got it wrong. It's right here. Boom. And Brent is going to be putting it on here, the stock steering column. And he's going to transfer the trim over to the new wheel.
Yeah, let's do this.
Is that right?
Yep.
All right, let's follow Brent. He's got his little workshop over here.
Oh, it doesn't fit. No, I'm just fucking.
This time.
It gave you a heart attack for a second, huh?
Right. This one fits though, huh?
Yeah, it's just Because it's brand new, everything's
very
the leather and stuff is super tight.
Here, you guys hear that click? Gino says he's gonna get this wheel, but not in carbon fiber, right, Gino? Because he's not a carbon fiber fiend like me, so therefore he's gonna try a different method. But I gave him the connect for that. CZD Auto Designs, and yeah, y'all. Just gonna set the camera up on a stand here. All right. And then you can see Brent going to the trim.
There we go. It's tight. Yeah, it's super tight because it's new. Once it punches through everything, it'll be fine. It'll be good.
Are these screws or are they?
No, it's just kind of tabs.
We're back, you guys. Brent just got the trim installed, brought the wheel over, the new wheel over to the Type R, and he's just putting it onto the steering column. He's tightening it right now. What is that? That's a 16 or 14, Brent?
It's a 10.
Is it, oh, it's a 10?
Yeah, it's a 10 Allen.
No way.
Yeah.
My bad.
Allens look a lot bigger than they are.
Yeah, shit. I thought that was a 14 at
No,
least.
no, it's a 14. I have a 14. It's a lot bigger than this.
It's only a 10 that holds on? Okay.
Yep.
Oh, I was wrong about that.
Big ass 10.
What y'all think though? I mean, you gotta get the main airbag and faceplate on here, but yeah. What do you think, Brent? Looks sick?
Yeah, it looks nice. I like it.
Yeah.
It looks good.
It's thick as hell, man. Yeah, let me ask him. Gino, what do you think about it, man?
Love it.
Yeah?
Looks
Love it?
amazing.
You're getting one? Just no carbon fiber?
Yep. I'll probably eventually get one. Just no carbon fiber.
It's gonna be cheaper than what I paid for it, man, so. We always like cheaper, right? Now, it's not a wise idea to go cheap on mods.
Right.
But if you can get the same thing,
Parts for the right parts.
correct. If you can get the same quality for a cheaper price,
Why not?
All right. So there we go. There we go, y'all.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I got Type R for sale.
Was the trim? How was the trim putting on?
It's not that bad. Just a little. It's a little stiff because all the fabric is new.
Yeah, it's all brand new.
It hasn't settled
But
yet.
what Andrew was saying is that's why he left the fabric a little bit unfolded,
Yeah.
just so you can get around it. You know what I'm saying? Oops. Shouldn't we disconnect the battery, bro? No. Alright, Brent's having fun with it.
All right, airbag.
Airbag.
One explosive device.
And you want to, I mean, you've done so many wheels, I get that, but I would disconnect the battery.
I've just done a lot of airbags. That's all.
Don't try this at home, folks.
Sorry, that time it was necessary.
Now I just got to make sure it turns and everything, right?
I like the red. It goes well with the seats.
And the floor mats here. See how I matched them? I mean,
Well, the floor mats were red.
they look.
Now they're kind of dirty. But you got them big ass feet.
Yeah, this is true.
Oh, where's your open ends at?
The wrenches?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Brent's out. Let me just show you real quick, and then I'll get back in just a moment. There it is, finished product. Steering wheel's on. Boom. Be back with you guys. Sorry. Be back with you guys in just a moment. Don't go anywhere. Skylyfe Projects. We'll be right back. Much love, y'all. All right, guys. Welcome back. Brent, we're doing the front pipe now, which is right here. First of all, there's the old steering wheel. This will come back with me and it'll hang up on the wall for me in the new house when we get it. This is the front pipe, RV6. Came with a lot of goodies too. You guys can check that on my Instagram. But we're going to be doing the front pipe, which is right in there. So we're gonna take this off. I'm gonna put the new front pipe on. Right there, my bad. Front
All
pipe's
right. Nope, I don't like that.
Bars on the lift. Brand, we also have to remove the motor mount, or no?
No.
Just
Hell
gotta
no.
put it out of the way for a little bit.
No.
No?
Don't even have to touch it.
I thought you said we had to last time. When we.
That's because I was changing your motor mount out.
Oh, okay. So it's not. Vice
It's not
versa?
in the way to do what we're doing right now.
Okay. Well, shit, I didn't know that. I thought we had to take the motor mount out of here. That's awesome. We don't have to do that. All right. So Gino is coaching me a lot about this Type R. I appreciate it, Gino. Thank you so much. We were talking about spring rates, how it affects oversteer, understeer, what do you say, geometry,
Suspension
handling
geometry.
of the car,
Right.
suspension geometry. Okay.
Big physics time.
Yeah. So learning about that. As you guys know, I have H&R springs on. That's why we're having this discussion. Gino is keeping his stock over there for that reason. So yeah, that's why we're having that discussion. Like I said, still learning something new every day about this car. That is the beauty of it. Love it. Back to my roots, back to JDM. So all right, y'all, I'll check back with you once we get more working here on the front pipe. Don't go anywhere, stay right here. Much love. All right, y'all, just getting the
freaking 10 speeds are putting in them.
RV6 front pipe on.
They're so garbage. The guy that works right there is our truck transmission guy, and he's replaced like 12 of them already since they came out. Because GM hasn't opened them up to us for repairs yet.
Just get right here.
So if something internal goes wrong with it outside of like a seal or something, they want the whole unit.
So this is what? RV6 front pipe?
Yes, sir. Nice, right?
Nope.
Ceramic coated.
It looks like shit.
I'm just fucking.
I think I'm gonna upgrade my exhaust when I can.
To
The full titanium NVIDIA exhaust.
full titanium.
Yeah, it's like $3,200.
Just lightweight.
Huh?
You want lighter weight?
No, I just want all titanium because then I can send the whole exhaust to Rampage and have them burn the whole thing.
True. You could.
Anodize the whole exhaust.
It's me a lot of money, bro.
I don't give a shit. I'll just wait for my fucking parents to die. I don't know. Huh?
Getting fired?
Yeah. Like, cause NVIDIA has the one that like we have, and then they have the full titanium, which is like $3,200. I don't know if I'll go that route, but that's a lot of fucking money.
It's a lot of unnecessary.
Yeah.
There's other things I'd rather see too.
Yeah. Turbo.
I've been in really deep conversations with Zach, and One of the biggest flaws.
Then you put a turbo on this?
You guys can see it right here.
Yeah.
So after, all right, get back here. So after the front pipe, we're going to do, I think we're doing the inlet pipe, and then the spoiler will be last. So those two will be on the continuation video of this one. But yeah, let me check back with you guys. We'll finish this video off with installing the front pipe, and this is just the front pipe and steering wheel for this video. And the next video will be the inlet pipe and the carbon fiber spoiler by EPR. So stick around, guys. Much love, my pet. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, please subscribe. This video was installing the RV6 front pipe and installing the carbon fiber steering wheel by CZD Auto Parts. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stick around. It's going to be a continuation video here in the same garage, done today, and that link will be posted for another day. This one's coming right around the corner. Much love, y'all, and blessings. This is Skylyfe Projects. Love you guys. Thanks for being a part of my journey and my channel. Bye-bye.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way you be sounding. Fill my cup up for the